Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Tino and this is Today with Tino. Today we are going to be continuing with the video that I posted last time on my craft room tour. If you haven't watched it yet, please click on the link on top of your screen. And if you had watched it before, let us just continue from there. So this is my area, please don't mind. I've been working on these cute scrunchies. I've been working on these. So yeah, so this is like quite busy. So basically I'll be sitting here and then I'll be working on my stuff on this machine. It's an Impersal dressmaker 270D that I got about 3 years ago. I got it when I couldn't even like literally thread a machine. So thanks to YouTube, I got to learn how to do that. And this is the fabric that I'm using. I'm using some satin fabric. It's just so like beautiful and elegant. So in here, this is where I keep my glue sticks, my pencils, pens, rulers, and my very sharp scissors. Yeah. So this usually stays somewhere there if there's nothing on this table. And then this coat hanger, I don't know where it came from. But yeah, and then up there I've got this cute outfit that I made. It's for like a 1-year-old, so it just kind of stays there. It's like decorating the place. And then this is my measuring tape, which I also use to like measure my clients and all that. Right there at the back of the curtain, I'm not going to show you what's back there. I'm going to be saving that for another day. And then this chair, my husband uses it to film his YouTube stuff, so I'm not going to get into that. And then right here at the back, you see like that gold stuff. Those I use for my balloons. It's a balloon arc. So I use that. It's actually like a round backdrop. Yeah. And then this is also like one of my most favorite test areas. Oh, that's my bottle of water. I use this to film some of my YouTube videos. If you haven't checked them out, I'm gonna include the link. Yeah. My husband likes reading a lot, oh my goodness. So I got like a lot of his books on there. And then I just kind of tried to decorate it. It's been difficult to maintain, but I've been trying. He like loves old Trevor Noah and stuff. And then I put this Sphinx. Trust me, this is not dirty, this clean. It comes like that. So I just use this as a book stopper. He got this when he went to Egypt this year. And then I also have, so these are more books. And then that gift bag, I'm going to open it soon and then show you what's in there. And then I use these diffusers, whatever, so that the place just kind of smells nice. And then also this pyramid, you got it from Egypt. So I just put it there to decorate the whole place. And then I put some decorative bottles. I put gold and white. Usually I like interchange them. I just put different colors. But this is the theme of the day and like a cute artificial flower. And then I also have some DVDs from my church. And then some diaries, more books, whatever. And then I just kind of keep some tissue paper right there at the bottom. Yeah, I just keep it down there just in case I need to blow my nose or something. And then right there I keep some of the scrap that I'm still to organize. Yeah. And then right here is like a gift wrapping, that's a gift wrapping paper that I got for Christmas. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. And then here there are these true fridges. I've been struggling to keep the curtains well, because these fridges, they just keep the place kind of tight, so I have to like push them right at the back. I keep all the chickens and stuff in here. For those who do not know, I also I've got a chicken business that I run. And then right here at the back, that's a dustbin that I haven't really been using it for, yet. And then here I've got my electric pump, which I use to pump all my balloons. And then right here at the back, I keep all my packaging, the box packaging, the packs, and the gift bags that I put outfits in. The packs, I use them for the fabric, and then the boxes, I'm going to use them for the scrunchies that I'm making. And then in here, in this box, I keep some of my scrap as well. And then I also keep the supplies that I use to make my accessories. So I've got the rings and all that stuff. I don't think I'm going to open that today. I don't know when I will get the strength to do so, but the box is now like, it has seen better days, as you can see. And then in this, let me actually now just kind of open all the stuff that I have. So in here I also have some fabric, some satin fabric, which I am keeping for the scrunchies that I'm making. And then here are some of the unfilled invoices and receipts that I keep for my business. So I just kind of keep them there for now. And then in this gift bag, there are some of my balloon supplies. So I usually just carry, I had another gift bag, but I got rid of that one because it became kind of old and started tearing up. This is the bag that I carry when I am going out on some of my jobs. So I make sure that I carry some business cards. And then for now I'm keeping like some extra balloons in here. I have some gold balloons, and then in here I've got some 5-inch balloons which I have, but it's mainly pink, yellow, and hot pink. And in here I've got like some single balloons that I have. These are like 18 inches, I think. And then there are some serviettes that I have in here. And then I keep a pair of scissors so that I do not forget it. I also keep a balloon tire. I do not like tying balloons, so this helps me if I am not pressed for time, because I haven't really mastered using it yet. I know I'm supposed to like maybe wait like this or the other way, I don't know. And then I also clip these are for my balloons and a lot of balloon supplies. And then I've got a balloon pump, blah blah blah, and some ribbon and all that. I don't think I'm gonna open this for you guys, but yeah. And then it's more or less the same with this one. Like what I was saying, you see like there's some balloons in here, so I've got different colors, green, white, blah blah. So yeah. And then there's this bad boy that I use for my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos, so I just keep it in here so that even when I'm packing my orders, I just use that. So when I'm blowing up my balloons, basically I just take this pump, put it here, and I blow away, because there's a socket down there, there's an adapter down there, so that's what I use. So yeah guys, so this is the mini tour that I had for you today. I hope you had a splendid time. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you do not miss any time I'm going to be posting a new video. See you next time. Later.